I will show you how to download the Kuaishou and then install it on your device. Go to Google Chrome and search Kuaishou and scroll down until you don't find the APK. Here the APK mirror, click on the APK mirror and scroll down again and press download APK. And download file. It's downloading your file. Go to the details. You can see it is downloading and 1 minute left. So wait until it finishes the downloads. Now the download is completed. Click on the download icon and it says that do you want to install this application? Install it. Now open the app. Agree and continue. And click on any video. Click on the share icon and copy your link. Copy it successfully, go share it with, and now go back to your Google Play Store and download your Kuaishou downloader. Search Kuaishou. It will open this link, open this app and install it. Okay, it's downloaded and installing. Wait until it's completely installed and open the app. Paste the link and then press download or paste. It will download your video.